Yo, hey, what's on YouTube? This is Edo Unboxing Official. Welcome to another episode, man. Today's episode, I'm gonna unbox this Kemei with the model number 2296. I received it today, and it's already charged, and I just decided to make an unboxing very fast. I mean, yeah, real very fast. So stay tuned, man. Alright. Okay, here we go again. And I have to tell you, this box is a little bit heavy. Yeah, it's a little bit heavy. Got charging stand, and the clipper is a little bit heavy too. So we're gonna see to that. So let's read some of the specs of this hair clipper. So, and this is the box. Okay, see that? Yo, in the back, really cool. Okay, and got 2500 milliamp battery, 3.5 hours charging time, and 350 minutes operating time. That's a lot, man. Okay. Yeah. It looks like lens clipper, if you can really see, and here looks like a Andes trimmer. I guess EXO or something like that. Yeah. Okay. So, this is the beautiful hair clipper. See that? Very nice. And inside, you got a manual, you got the adapter. Most of the Chinese clipper doesn't comes with adapter. Okay, charging cable, and it's not a USB type C. Got a lot of guide cones. It's not a quality one, but it's okay. And here you got little brush, and last we got a charging stand. Okay, really nice. For the price, it is very, very nice. Very stable. See that? Very stable. It is stable. So, let's put it back here. So, this is Kemei. Charging port, and got also a hook. It is very, very strong. Power button. The lever. And it's a clicky lever. I guess you can also make it to a floating lever. and a place where you can rest your thumb. See that? And the grooves that I like. See that? Okay, and this place here looks like this one. See? And got a taper blade. With a ceramic, yeah, I guess ceramic cutter blade. So I have to say, it's not easy to zero gap this clipper. I mean this blade, it's not easy. I mean mine. And the lever, it's not that good also, but it is a good clipper. Really feels good on the hand, but the lever, just look. First one, second one, finished. Maybe mine is broken, I don't know. One. See that? I don't know. Normally it should have around 4 or 5 clicks. This is nice. Very nice blade. I would have preferred if maybe it's a fade blade. Really nice. The lever. Maybe this is broken, I don't know. But I will make it to a floating lever. So that's it for the quick unboxing, and for the teardown, that's for another video, man. This is just a quick unboxing. So peace, man.